Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove your personal data from
So
TikTok.
just tap on my TikTok account and officially logged in. And today I'm going to show you how to delete the personal data from TikTok. So just move in the profile icon, which is top right corner bottom. Just tap on it, and after that inside you will just tap on the top right corner of three lines. And here is the settings and privacy. So just tap on it, and after here you will just tap on this continue account. So after get inside here you will see the deactivate or delete account. So I will just tap on delete account. So right now there is only way if you want to delete your personal data from
From
TikTok.
TikTok, so you will just delete your account permanently. There is only one way. If you want to delete your personal data, you will have to delete your account permanently. That's it. So there's when you delete your account permanently, there's an option to reactivating within 30 days. If you want to reactivate your data, and if you want to just tab on your browser on, you will also tab on Google Chrome and search for it, delete my personal data from TikTok, and Google will also say that you will delete your account permanently. There is only one way to delete your personal data from TikTok. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.